Hello everyone, my name is Arifur Rahman Novi and I am from American International University of Bangladesh. Now I am showing you a simulation based project. My project name is Fire Alarm Security System. My course instructor is Akram Hossain Choudhury. Now I am showing you the circuit diagram of the project. In this circuit diagram we use a heat sensor, a smoke sensor, a 10K resistor, a 9-volt battery, a NAND gate, a OR gate, a green LED probe, a red LED probe and a alarm system. This is the truth table. 2 input A and B and 2 output X and Y. When both input is 0, X is 0, that means red probe is 0 and green probe is 1. When heat sensor is 0 and smoke sensor is 1, both red and green probe will 1. When the heat sensor is 1 and smoke sensor is 0, again both green and red probe will show 1. But when the smoke sensor and red sensor both is 1, only the red probe is 1 and green probe is 0. Now I am showing you the circuit diagram simulation, and we will draw the circuit. First we take a heat sensor, a smoke sensor, a NAND gate, a NOR gate and 2 LED probe. One is green and one is red. Now we will connect with each other. This one heat sensor with NAND gate on input and output will be with red on. We make a mistake here. This connection will go with this one, and here is the same smoke sensor OR gate with this red on, and this will connect with this on. Now this will connect with this on, and NAND gate second input is connected with this on. Now we'll run the project. Here we can see that heat sensor and smoke sensor both are 0, that's why the LED probe is green. But when both is 0, that's why red probe is 0 and green probe is 1. But when the heat sensor is 0, we take it 0 as it is, and we will take the smoke sensor 1. Then both red and green probe will 1. Both is now the green light and red light probe show us on. But when the heat sensor is 1, like this, heat sensor is 1 and smoke sensor is 0, again both green and red probe will show us 1. But when the smoke sensor and red sensor both is 1, only the red probe is 1 and green probe is 0. So we can say that our truth table is correct and the fire alarm system will show us the accurate signal with the sequence. Thank you everyone.